Can you say I love you? Claire. I love you. Can you say it? Love you. I love you. Can you say it?
Baby boo boo.
Can you say it? I
Baby boo.
see lots of books. You say it? We're not going to read another book.
Who is that? Who's that? Mama.
Mama, who are you? Can you say sunshine? No, we're not going to color right now. Sunshine? Are you feeding me? Thank you. Bye-bye. Am I eating your butterfly?
Baby books. Baby books.
Yeah.
Baby books.
Yeah. Can you say, I love you? Say it. Sunshine? We're not going to color our sunshine. We'll do it in the morning. It's time to go to sleep. A sunshine. Can you go to sleep? That's Claire. I heard Daddy cough. Thank you. Thank you. You found a baby? That's a rabbit. Baby is asleep. What are you doing? Can you push? Say it. Say it. Push. Push. A bite? That's a butterfly. No, we're not going to color right now. We're not going to color our sunshine. We'll color our sunshine in the morning. You got to do a night-night. That is a butterfly. Thank you. Thank you. Mm-hmm. That's a butterfly. Thank you. Thank you. Push. We don't need a bow. We don't need a bow to go night-night. We'll put a bow in the morning. Thank you. Can you say, look, Claire. Okay, can you lay down and go night-night? Will you lay down and go night-night? Thank you. Thanks for the butterfly. Lay down and go night-night.
What's that? Cook. Cheese. 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 Okay. That. Hey, Dad.
Yep, the baby going to sleep. Claire needs to go to sleep. Can Claire go down to sleep? Why not?
What's that?
Baby. What's baby doing?
Sleep.
Sleep.
Hey, play. Pie.
The potty. Good job.
House.
House.
Bye-bye. There's a baby.
There's a lamb. A bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey,
There's Daddy. Oh, love.
What's that?
I don't know.
Baby.
It's your baby.
Sleep.
Is asleep? Why aren't you asleep? Why aren't you asleep?
There. What's that?
Why aren't you asleep?
Can you tell the camera bye-bye?
What is that?
She won't say it now.
I know what happened.